Your skin is a living ecosystem where every product you apply can tip the balance for better or worse. What if your favorite products are secretly clashing, undermining your skin's health? Let's uncover the hidden ingredient pairings that could be sabotaging your routine and learn how to create true harmony. Every day we introduce a variety of new molecules to our skin: serums, acids, antioxidants, and more, each one promising to transform our complexion and deliver visible results. But what's really happening beneath the surface when we layer on these products? Our skin is a complex organ, and every ingredient we apply interacts in unique ways, sometimes in ways we don't expect. When mixed carelessly, these active ingredients can actually neutralize each other, making them less effective or even trigger irritation and sensitivity. The wrong combinations can leave your skin feeling uncomfortable, or worse, looking inflamed. For example, applying an acid can dramatically change your skin's pH, which may make the next product you use far less effective. This delicate balance is easily disrupted, and it's something most people don't realize when building their routines. Sometimes combining powerful ingredients without proper knowledge can damage your skin barrier, leading to redness, inflammation, and long-term sensitivity. The skin barrier is your body's first line of defense, and once it's compromised, it can take weeks to recover. The key is understanding which ingredients work well together and which ones should never be mixed. Reading labels, doing research, and consulting experts can help you make smarter choices for your skin. Mastering these interactions is the first step to a truly effective skincare ritual. With the right knowledge, you can unlock your skin's healthiest, most radiant potential. Retinoids are true powerhouses in the world of skincare, celebrated for their ability to boost cell turnover, smooth fine lines, and tackle stubborn acne. But as effective as they are, it's important to remember that retinoids don't always get along with every other ingredient in your routine. Some combinations can actually reduce their effectiveness or even cause irritation. So, knowing what not to pair is just as crucial as knowing what works. For example, don't pair retinoids with vitamin C in the same routine. Vitamin C thrives in an acidic environment, while retinoids need a more neutral pH to work their magic. When used together, they can neutralize each other, making both less effective and potentially wasting your efforts. It's also best to avoid using retinoids with AHAs or BHAs like glycolic or salicylic acid on the same night. These acids exfoliate the skin, and when combined with retinoids can lead to overexfoliation, redness, flakiness, and increased sensitivity. Instead, try using vitamin C in the morning to protect your skin from environmental stresses, and save your retinoids for nighttime when your skin is in repair mode. This way, you get the benefits of both without any conflict. For acids like AHAs and BHAs, alternate nights with your retinoid. This gives your skin time to recover and reduces the risk of irritation, helping you maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. With smart scheduling and a little planning, you can let each ingredient shine, ensuring your skin gets the maximum benefit from your routine without any unnecessary drama. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, but it's fragile, especially around benzoyl peroxide, which destroys its benefits on contact. Never layer these two, you'll lose all the brightening power of vitamin C. As for niacinamide, modern research shows it's safe to use with vitamin C. Just give a few minutes between applications, or use one in the morning and the other at night for maximum effect. Protect your glow by understanding these crucial pairings. When you're dealing with breakouts, it's tempting to throw every product you own at your skin, hoping for a quick fix. But using too many treatments at once can actually make things worse, leading to more irritation, redness, and even more breakouts. Overloading your skin with harsh ingredients can disrupt its natural balance and make it harder for your skin to heal. For example, don't combine salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide in the same routine. While both are powerful acne fighters, using them together can overwhelm your skin, causing excessive dryness, flaking, and sensitivity. It's better to let each ingredient work on its own so your skin isn't overloaded. Layering multiple exfoliants or strong actives can strip away your skin's protective barrier, leaving it vulnerable to irritation, inflammation, and even more breakouts in the long run. Instead, focus on picking just one or two active ingredients that target your main concerns and use them consistently. This approach is much gentler and gives your skin time to adjust and repair itself. You might try using benzoyl peroxide in the morning and salicylic acid at night, or alternate them on different days to avoid overwhelming your skin. This way you get the benefits of both without the risk of irritation. Remember, patience and restraint are your best allies on the journey to clear, healthy skin. Give your skin time to respond and you'll see better, longer-lasting results. The secret to a thriving skin ecosystem is patience and strategy. Introduce new actives one at a time, giving your skin weeks to adjust. Apply products from thinnest to thickest, serums first, then creams, then oils. This ensures each product penetrates and protects effectively. For complex routines or stubborn issues, consult a dermatologist for expert guidance. Thoughtful layering and professional advice lead to lasting results. Your skin story is yours to write. Choose ingredients that work together, not against each other. Think of your routine as a garden where every product you select helps nurture and support your skin's natural beauty and resilience. With this knowledge, you can curate a routine that lets your skin flourish, bloom, and truly thrive, just like a well-tended garden. For gentle, effective products, check the video description below and hope your skin's ecosystem thrive and glow with every step you take. Hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.